The Smart-AVI SM-HDMV-16X-PLUS-S V3 16-port HDMI Multiviewer KVM V3 supports up to 16 HDMI input sources and delivers 1080p Full HD video resolution, 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. It provides multi-view modes, full, dual, quad, 16 mode, and enables control of 16 computers via single KVM console. The unit supports USB keyboard and mouse emulation, offers switching via front panel, hotkeys, and RS-232. Is compatible with HDMI 1.4 and HDCP standards, and supports EDID for optimized display performance. Visit HDTVSupply.com to learn more.